want to travel.
Wow. By the way, where do you want to travel?
I want go to Wakatobi.
Do you know the history of Wakatobi?
No, did you know?
Oh, I know. Okay, Wakatobi, or what was known in the past as Island of Kanggusi, is one of the regions in Southeast Sulawesi province during the reign of the Sultan of Batan. This area was called Liwoto Pataanuna, or Pulau Empat, which was later more popularly known as Liwoto Pasi, or Coral Island. The naming of this island as an archipelago of blacksmith is associated with an oral tradition that tell of the rebellion of the followers of King Hitu Namet Taluka Besi.
In addition to the four main islands, this area has other inhabited islands including Kapota Island in Wangi-Wangi, Lentaya Island, Derawa Island, and Hoga Island in Kaladupa, as well as Tolandono Island and Runduma Island in Tomia, which are much smaller in size. Before being designated as a spirit district, Wakatobi was a national park area within the administrative area of Buton Regency, Southeast Sulawesi Province. The process of establishing the Wakatobi area as a district began with the stipulation of the Wakatobi area as a marine nature tourism park in 1995 through the decree of the Minister of Forestry number 462 KPTS to 1995. A year later, on July 30, 1996, efforts to protect various underwater biodiversity in the Wakatobi area prompted the central government to designate the Wakatobi area as a conservation area with national park status through the decree of the Minister of Forestry number 963 KPTS 6 1996. This decree was later strengthened by the designation of the Wakatobi area and the surrounding water as a national park through the decree of the Minister of Forestry of the Republic of Indonesia number 7651 KPTS 2 2002 on August 19, 2002. The Wakatobi area is designated as a spirit district from Buton Regency through Law number 29 of 2003 concerning the establishment of Bombana Regency, Wakatobi Regency, and North Kolaka Regency in Southeast Sulawesi. At the beginning of its formation, administratively, Wakatobi Regency consisted of 4 sub-districts with the same name as the 4 main islands in this region. Then this district experienced the division of sub-district until now into 8 sub-district, namely Wangi-Wangi District, which is the district capital, South Wangi-Wangi, Kaladupa, South Kaladupa, Tomia, South Tomia, Binongko, and Togo Binongko.
Number 1. Geography. Wakatobi Regency is located at 1230.15.00 until 1240.45.00 east longitude and 050.15.00 until 06010.00 south latitude. Geographically, this district is located between two seas, namely the Flores Sea to the south and west, and the Banda Sea to the north and east. Yes, as an anthropology, Wakatobi does not have a border area with the surrounding area. Buton Regency is the only regency that interacts directly with the waters of the Wakatobi Regency in the north and west. When viewed on a regional scale, the Wakatobi Islands are right in the heart of the world's coral triangle or coral reef triangle. Wakatobi very strategic positions makes this area rich in terms of biodiversity and culture. Number 2. Topographical conditions. The topography of the land area of Wakatobi is very varied, consisting of plains to low hills with soil types that also vary, including clay with sand and lime. The highest plateau in this regional is recorded at Wangi-Wangi with a big hanging of the 274 meter at peak of Waboeboe. In addition, there are the hill island of Lajuel in Tomia, 270 to 71 meter. The Terpadu Hill in Binangko, 222 meter. The Pangilia Hill in Kaladuk, 203 meter. The topography of the waters in the general flat to steep with a sow depth of about 2 meters above sea level, and the depth point is about 2,404 meter below sea level. Their area 43 island is the Wakatobi Anthropology plus 3 sandbars and 5 atolls. Apart from the 4 main island, only a few outer island area inhabited. Main hill, the coral rails consist of the fring of reefs. The process of the formation of the Wakatobi island is estimated to have occurred from the Tertiary of the Meniere era. Geographically, the formation of a group of islands in the Wakatobi area occurs due to sheer faculties, both distinct faculties and faults. From electronic forecasts and have lasted a long time and consistently from dilating times and present. Of the uniqueness of this area is the expanse of atolls, which area formed from the sinking of the base plate, followed by the growth of corals that surrounding an island. Corrending atolls, that's atolls corrending. The peculiarity and the atolls in the Wakatobi area is the Kaludap atoll, which has a longitude of up or 49.26 kilometer is recorded is the longitude atoll in the world.
3. Sociocultural, population number and density. According to data from the BPS, it is known that the population of Wakatobi Regency until 2012 was 101,484 people, with the composition of the population by gender consisting of 48,657 men and 52,827 women. Meanwhile, the sex ratio in the same year was 92.1%. Development. Tribes. Wakatobi Regency was built with ethnic diversity, living in harmony and mutual respect. Several ethnic groups now live in the archipelago. Belief system. Most of the Wakatobi people are followers of the Islamic religion. The high level of trust of the Wakatobi community towards Islam can be seen from the culture and daily life, which is very thick with Islamic values. BPS data in 2009 did not record the existence of house of worship other than Islamic religious place of worship in Wakatobi. Meanwhile, the number of places of worship for Muslims consisting of mosques 136 units, prayer rooms 13 units. Throughout the Wakatobi area confirms that Islam is the main belief system in this region. Education. Wakatobi Regency has education facilities ranging from elementary to tertiary levels. There are 5 universities in Wakatobi Regency, both private and public.
Potential extraction of underwater nature. The extraction of Wakatobi cannot be separated from the potential of its underwater natural beauty. The slogan promulgated by the Wakatobi Regional Government, "A Real Underwater Paradise," is the name given to the Wakatobi Waters area, which is also the Wakatobi National Park area, which is located in the heart of the Coral Triangle Cancer. Almost 95.87% of the Wakatobi Regency area is a water area with an area of 54,500 hectares of coral cover. With wealth of abundant marine resources, clear seawater, stunning coral reef, and inhabited by a variety of marine animals, it is like a garden in the ocean. The Wakatobi National Park area is divided into 6 zones with different designations, namely fisheries, aquaculture, and ecotourism. The 6 zones consist of 3 no-take zones, core zones, marine protection zones, and tourism zones, 2 utilization zones, local and general, and 1 and only zones designation for infrastructure development for the community and government. The core zone is a fully protected area. Maritime protection and tourism zones are prohibited for fishing activities, but allow for non-destructive uses such as recreational diving, both intended to protect important resources and fashion as fish banks. The very wide local usage zone is specifically for the local Wakatobi community. The regional utilization zones is designation for deep sea pelagian fish species. Recreation Kapota. Wangi-Wangi is the main extraction to travel in Wakatobi. This is due to the availability of ice transportation that connect Wakatobi with other areas on the island of Wangi-Wangi, Kaladupa, Hoga. Kaladupa is the second island water Wangi-Wangi. This island also has great potential as a tourist location. Not only is the sea beautiful, but the land also has extraordinary potential ranging from beaches, lakes, caverns, and highlands, or big as a beach with white sand and rocks, so that is procession and different white from other islands.
Potential cultural tourist attractions. Historic sites. The population of Wakatobi consists of various ethnic groups, namely the indigenous Wakatobi, Bugis, Butonse, Javanese, and Baju. Indigenous ethnic culture is still strong and has not experienced much acculturation. Each ethnic group lives with orderly, harmonious, and mutual respect. The culture of the indigenous people of Wakatobi is quite diverse. There are 9 indigenous local communities, namely the Wanci, Mandati, Lia, Kalidupa, Waha, Tongano, Timu, and Mbebe, different indigenous peoples. In addition, there are also 2 indigenous local communities who are immigrants, namely the Bajau indigenous people on the Chia indigenous people who come from the Buton ethnic group. Traditional villages and traditional houses. The traditional house Kamali. In Valea, the traditional house Kamali. In Valea or Kamali, Valea is a traditional house building unit located in the middle of Fort Kota or Fort Kamali in Fajam village, Kaledupa Island. The architecture of this building is in the form of house architecture. Mode of transportation. The mode of transportation that is commonly used as a liaison between islands in the Wakatobi area is ships. Seaport facilities both large and small are found throughout the main island of Wakatobi with certain schedules, but not infrequently, also based on weather conditions. Weakness of several intership scheduled islands, especially those that are far away, often wait until the ship is full of passengers, causing schedule delays as a lesson for Wakatobi with other areas. Apart from this, you can also use animals. The airline that currently serves flights to Wakatobi. The addition of the number of airlines and flight schedules will be very much needed in the future due to the increasing number of visits to Wakatobi, the local mode of transportation land. For general visitors found on the main island of Wakatobi Regency as motorcycle taxi service at a rate of between 3,000 up to 100,000, depending on the distance and the terrain traveled. In addition, for wheeled vehicle rentals are also available at very varied rates with a price range 300,000 up to 400,000 or depending on the agreement and the type of vehicle being rented. Tourist market condition. Tourist visits to Wakatobi fluctuate every year. In the last 5 years, 2008 sampai 2012. In general, there was an increase in the number of tourists, but in 2012, the number of tourist arrivals decreased again. The number of foreign tourist arrivals since 2009 has increased even though the growth rate is not too large, while domestic tourist arrivals increased significantly from 2008 to 2011, but decreased in 2012. Data from the Cultural and Tourism Office of Wakatobi Regency shows that tourists to Wakatobi sequence 2006 sampai 2012 was dominated by domestic tourists, especially after the surge in domestic tourist arrival in 2006. Similar results were also obtained from the 2013 questionnaire survey, which showed that most of the respondents were domestic tourists 92%.
The implementation of the new normal for the COVID-19 pandemic has an impact on the tourism industry in Wakatobi Regency, Southeast Sulawesi. From the observation of this Parsultra.id, tourism business actors such as hotels, dive operators, restaurants, tourism transportation, and night entertainment venues have reopened. People who visit tourist places are also already crowded. Likewise, travelers from and out of Wakatobi have started to increase. Air transportation users who previously has stopped now starting to run normally, and the number of passengers is increasing day by day. Right now, the number of airplane passengers is starting to increase from day to day. By July, the flight frequency will be back to normally as usual 1 week 7-5. Nadar, as the head of the Wakatobi Regency Tourism Office, said, although it had been stopped due to the pandemic, the interest of the tourism who want to visit Wakatobi was still very good. The result of a bid survey conducted by the Tourism Office to 3,000 participants, 80% more interest in the Wakatobi. This is an indicator that if it is possible for people to travel again, the interest to come to Wakatobi is very high. This is only the size of domestic tourists. We do not have high hopes for foreign tourists. In the context of vigilance and effort to prevent COVID-19 in the midst of tourism, thought a circular letter from the Wakatobi region state that in order to support the sustainability of the Wakatobi tourism and the increased vigilance, all subsectors need to implement the COVID-19 health protocol. The pandemic has hit various sectors in Indonesia, including tourism. A number of tourism actors have also been affected by the impact, ranging from restaurant owners, hotel, souvenir sellers to travel managers. The Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy, Sandiaga Uno, has also deployed various strategies to revive tourism. One of them is the implementation of clean lines, health, safety, and environment sustainability to the trial of opening 20 tourist destinations in the state. In addition, the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy also continues to promote tourist destinations in Indonesia. Here are the stories of tourism actors outside Java who are still feeling the impact of the pandemic, such as the owner and founder of Wakatobi Drive Trip, Seto Aryadi.
The pandemic, we are down to 50%. At the very least, we can serve 10 people in month, he continued. The impact of the pandemic did not necessarily make Seto despair. He continued to grow in Wakatobi by adapting to healthy protocol in the station. In fact, Wakatobi Drive Trip also offer a buy no trip letter program. During this pandemic, with full administrations as the JHSA certificate program by the Administration of Tourism. For our program, at the beginning of the pandemic, we did a lot of virtual tourist visits with various agencies. And we also presented the Buy No Trip Letter program. Tourists who are interested in Wakatobi can do it now. But the trip is free at any time and is valid for any time he assigns. In addition, I also continue to recruit tourists. Through this fall sector, hope that tourists can visit again to enjoy the beautiful of tourists in Wakatobi. The pandemic, we are down to 50%. At the very least, we can save 10 people in month. He continued. The impact of the pandemic did not necessarily make Seto despair. He continued to grow in Wakatobi by adapting to healthy protocol in education. In fact, Wakatobi Drive Trip also offer a buy no trip letter program. During this pandemic, with full administrations as the JHSA certificate program by the Administration of Tourism. For our program, at the beginning of the pandemic, we did a lot of virtual tourist visits with various agencies. And we also presented the Buy No Trip Letter program. Tourists who are interested in Wakatobi can do it now. But the trip is free at any time and is valid for any time he assigns. In addition, I also continue to recruit tourists. Through this fall sector, hope that tourists can visit again to enjoy the beautiful of tourists in Wakatobi.
Wakatobi, or what was known in the past as the island of Tukangbesi, is one of the regency in Southeast Sulawesi province. After independence, the idea to change the name of the Tukangbesi Island to the Wakatobi Island or Bitokawa began in 1959. A year later, on July 30, 1996, offered to protect various underwater biodiversity in the Wakatobi area prompted the central government to design the Wakatobi area as a conservation area with the status of a park. National dropped the decree of the Minister of Forestry number 963 KBTS 6 1996. Baton Regency in the only regency that is the tree adjacent to the water of Wakatobi Regency in the north and west. The topography of the land area of Wakatobi is very flat, consisting of plain to low hills with a type that also valley, including cloud, white sand, and lime. There are 43 islands in the Wakatobi archipelago, plus 3 sandbar and 5 atolls. One of the unique points of this area in the existence of atolls which are from the sinking of the base plate forward by the cloud of coral that surround this island catering atoll. The attraction of Wakatobi cannot be separated from the potential of its underwater natural beauty. The slogan promulgated by the Wakatobi regional government, a real underwater paradise, is the name given to the Wakatobi water area, which is also the Wakatobi National Park area, which is located in the heart of the Coral Triangle Center. Almost 95.87% of the Wakatobi Regency area is a water area with an area of 54,500 hectares of coral cover.